Hello and welcome, my friend. We are so happy you are here today.
Yeah, sci-fi is really good. The Academy is interesting. It's about this wild superhero family. Really cool and a wild ride.
Today, we talk about something very important in daily life.
We talk about accepting and refusing.
Accepting means you say yes.
Refusing means you say no.
We do this every day.
At home, at work, with friends.
Many learners feel scared to say yes or no in English,
They worry about being rude.
or they worry about saying the wrong thing.
But do not worry.
We will go very slowly.
We will use very simple English.
Short sentences, easy words.
You can do this.
Imagine this problem.
A friend asks you for help.
Your boss asks you to stay late.
A shop worker offers you a bag.
You want to say yes,
Or you want to say no.
but your mind is empty.
You feel stuck.
Today, we fix this together,
We will learn kind ways to accept.
and kind ways to refuse.
Not rude, not hard.
Simple and polite.
Let us begin.
First, we talk about accepting.
Accepting means you agree.
You say yes.
The easiest word is yes.
Yes.
Repeat after me. Yes.
Yes.
Good.
But sometimes just yes feels too short.
So we add small words.
For example, yes, please.
Repeat. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Very good.
This is kind and polite.
Another one is okay.
Okay.
Repeat. Okay.
Okay.
You can also say, okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Repeat. Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
These are easy and friendly.
Let us use them in life.
I ask you a question.
Okay.
Paul, would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
Another one.
Paul, can you help me later?
Okay, sure.
Very nice.
You sound friendly.
You sound calm.
Now, another accepting phrase.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Repeat. That sounds good.
That sounds good.
This means you like the idea.
Example time.
Paul, let us meet tomorrow.
That sounds good.
Great.
You see, it is easy.
Short and clear.
Now, let us practice together.
Repeat slowly.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Very nice.
You are doing great.
Now, let us talk about refusing.
This is harder for many people,
People fear to sound rude.
but refusing can be kind.
You can say no with a smile.
The key is soft words.
The simplest word is no.
No.
But no alone can sound strong.
So we add soft words.
Like sorry.
Sorry is a very kind word.
Repeat. Sorry.
Sorry.
Now, listen.
Sorry, no.
Sorry, no.
Repeat. Sorry, no.
Sorry, no.
Another common one.
Sorry, I cannot.
Sorry, I cannot.
Repeat. Sorry, I cannot.
Sorry, I cannot.
This is very useful.
You can use it many times.
Let us see an example.
Paul, can you come tonight?
Sorry, I cannot.
That is polite.
You do not need a long reason.
Short is okay.
Short is okay.
Another soft refusal.
Not today.
Not today.
Repeat. Not today.
Not today.
You can add sorry again.
Sorry, not today.
Sorry, not today.
Very nice.
Now, a gentle one.
Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Repeat. Maybe later.
Maybe later.
This means not now, but maybe yes in the future.
Let us practice with life.
Okay.
Paul, would you like more food?
Sorry, not today.
Good. Another one. Paul, can you help me now?
Maybe later.
Perfect. You sound kind.
You sound polite.
Now, repeat with us again.
Sorry, I cannot.
Sorry, I cannot.
Sorry, not today.
Sorry, not today.
Maybe later.
Maybe later.
Excellent.
Now we do a longer talk.
A real-life talk.
Listen first, then we practice.
I will start.
Hi, Paul. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Great. Do you want milk?
Okay, sure.
Later, I ask again. Paul, can you help me tonight?
Sorry, I cannot.
That's okay.
Maybe later.
See how calm that is?
No stress.
Now we switch roles.
I ask, Emily, would you like to join us?
That sounds good.
Nice.
Later,
Emily, can you stay late?
sorry, not today.
No problem.
This is real English.
Simple English.
Short sentences, easy words.
You can do this.
Now, let us look at mistakes.
Many beginners say only no.
Not this, just no.
But this is better. Sorry, no.
Another mistake.
Saying too many words.
Long stories.
Not needed.
Short is better.
Another mistake.
Saying yes when you mean no.
This makes stress.
Use your words.
You are allowed.
Remember this.
Be kind.
Be clear.
Short sentences.
Now, one more practice.
Repeat slowly.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
Very nice.
You are doing great.
You are learning real skills.
You can use this today.
At the shop,
At home.
at work.
With friends.
Feel proud.
Feel calm.
You are not rude.
You are clear.
Keep practicing.
Speak slowly.
Smile when you speak.
Your English is growing.
We will continue soon.
Stay with us.
You are doing great.
See you in the next part.
Welcome back, my friend. Let us keep going together.
Yes, we continue, slowly and clearly.
We will practice more.
Practice makes you strong.
Now imagine daily life again.
Small moments.
Simple choices.
Someone offers help.
Someone asks a favor.
You choose yes.
Or you choose no.
Both are okay.
Let us hear more examples.
I will ask, Emily, do you want some tea?
No, thank you.
Good.
No, thank you is very polite.
Repeat, no thank you.
No, thank you.
This is a kind refusal.
You can use it many times.
In shops,
In homes.
in offices.
Another example.
Emily, can you come with me?
Sorry, I cannot.
Very clear.
Very calm.
Now with yes.
Paul, would you like to sit here?
Yes, please.
Easy.
Natural.
Let us slow it down.
Repeat after us.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Good job.
Now we add one more.
Sure.
Sure means yes.
Repeat. Sure.
Sure.
Example.
Emily, can you help me?
Sure.
Friendly and short.
You can add okay.
Okay, sure.
Repeat. Okay, sure.
Okay, sure.
Now a soft no again.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Repeat. I am sorry.
I am sorry.
You can say,
I am sorry, I cannot.
repeat. I am sorry. I cannot.
I am sorry, I cannot.
Very polite.
Very common.
Let us do a long talk now.
Listen and feel the rhythm.
Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul.
Would you like some help?
Yes, please.
Can I call you later?
Okay, sure.
Can you meet tonight?
Sorry, not today.
Maybe tomorrow?
That sounds good.
See how easy that is?
No stress.
No hard words.
Now you try.
Repeat after us.
Would you like some help?
Would you like some help?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Sorry, not today.
Sorry, not today.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
You are speaking English.
Real English.
Now, one more mistake.
Some learners say yes too fast.
But inside, they want no.
This makes problems.
Be honest.
Be kind.
Say what you feel.
English helps you do that.
Remember this line.
You can do this.
Again.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Your voice matters.
Let us recap softly.
Accepting means yes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sure.
That sounds good.
Refusing means no.
Sorry, I cannot.
No, thank you.
Sorry, not today.
Maybe later.
Short.
Kind.
Clear.
Use them daily.
At home.
At work.
With friends.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Feel calm.
English is your friend.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye for now.